Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a speaker headphone. Is JBL model. You can see this headphone is broken. So now I will open this box, and inside the wire is damaged. I will connection the new wire. So first I need to open this part from here. I have to remove this part, and you have to remove, here is the 4 screw inside. Okay guys, I have to remove all this screw here, and now you have to remove the 2 screw in the back side. Here is the three pin screw. This screw like this, check is working here. It's small. See guys, I have to connection the wire here, and now I will use this and check. Okay guys, you can see I have to connection the wire. Now I return back this plastic cover. And I tight this screw. Guys, my speaker is ready to work, and I check the sound is working perfectly, very good. And the broken side I put some glue, super glue. Please guys, like, share and subscribe my channel.